the market for a new employee GPS tracking software? If you are, then you've come to the right place, because in today's video, we'll be revealing the top 13 best employee GPS tracking apps on the market. If you're new to the Timeero channel, we're a GPS time tracking and mileage tracking software. We help thousands of businesses gain real-time insights into their team's time, location, schedules, and routes. Need a clearer picture of your team's day-to-day? Head over to Timeero.com to learn more. Okay, now let's get back to what you came here for. Before we jump into the top 13 GPS tracking apps, let's quickly cover the essential features you should look for. First, choose an app that frequently updates employees' locations without draining their battery. You'll also want real-time visibility of all job sites, so you'll know right away when someone leaves the site. Next, make sure the app also tracks time and attendance. This will also allow you to accurately record employee clock-in and clock-out locations, easily identifying who is on-site and effectively preventing the time theft. Third, check that the app works in the regions where your teams operate. If your employees work in areas with low signal, go for an app with an offline mode to keep tracking even without cellular service. Also, look for an app that integrates with your payroll and invoicing systems. This reduces human error and makes billing more accurate. Finally, go for an app that offers a free trial. You'll get to test the features firsthand before committing, ensuring it's the perfect fit for your business. Alright, now let's dive into the top 13 GPS tracking apps. Number 1, Timeero. Timeero is super easy for both managers and employees. For managers, there's no need to constantly adjust settings to track locations. Employees just clock in and the app takes care of the rest. It updates every 5 to 10 minutes or whenever someone moves more than 150 feet, giving you near real-time visibility on who's working and where, even in low-signal areas, thanks to its offline mode, which syncs data later. There's also Route Replay, which lets you see where your employees have been throughout the day. It tracks breadcrumbs so you get a detailed view of their trip. And if anyone tries to disable location services to game the system, Timeero automatically clocks them out and notifies the manager, keeping everything transparent and secure. Other key features include mileage tracking, geofencing, and easy scheduling with drag and drop functionality. Plus, Timeero respects employee privacy by only tracking them when they're clocked in. Number 2, QuickBooks Workforce. This one's great if you're already using QuickBooks. It tracks employees' locations even in low-signal areas. It stores the data locally and then syncs everything once the employee's device is back online. It's not the most precise though. It connects GPS points with straight lines, so the route map isn't super accurate. Number 3, ClockShark. ClockShark pings every 15 to 20 minutes to save battery. It even gives you a street or satellite view of where employees are. You can track routes through breadcrumb trails and detect GPS tampering, preventing fake pings. The only downside, employees have to hit sync to upload offline data. Number 4, Hubstaff. Hubstaff is solid, but not as user-friendly right out the box. Location tracking is a paid add-on and you have to manually activate it. Once it's set up though, it's reliable. It works even without the internet, making it great for field teams in remote areas. Number 5, VeriClock. VeriClock is different. You don't get a real-time dashboard. If you want to see where someone is, you have to manually request their location. It's accurate, but not ideal if you need real-time visibility. You do get breadcrumbs for the day, and you can click on GPS points for details like timestamps. Number 6, Jibble. Jibble is known for its free plan, but location tracking is only available with the paid version. It gives you a live view of employee locations and lets you see their route for the day. But again, routes are just straight lines between GPS points. That means no turn-by-turn detail. Number 7, BuddyPunch. BuddyPunch's claim to fame is its facial recognition and geofencing to prevent timesheet fraud. It tracks employees' locations in real time, but doesn't work offline, so it's not that great for low-signal areas. It does use breadcrumbs, but like others, it connects GPS points with straight lines. Number 8, eBillity. eBillity is a mix of IP and GPS tracking. It's great for remote or desk employees, but it doesn't track routes. It's best used for confirming punch locations, not for following someone's day-to-day. Number 9, Clockify. Clockify doesn't ping as often, only when someone moves more than 500 meters. So when you check the location, it's more of a last known spot rather than a real-time tracking. It's also not as detailed with routes, showing just a few GPS points from the day. Number 10, OnTheClock. OnTheClock updates every few seconds, so it's great for real-time tracking. You can see a detailed breadcrumb trail with arrows showing the direction of movement, but it only works with a stable internet connection, so not ideal for remote teams. Number 11, Timesheet Mobile. Timesheet Mobile auto-punches employees in and out of job sites using geofencing, which makes time tracking super easy. It's great for confirming punch locations, but doesn't do much in terms of detailed route tracking. Number 12, Hellotracks. Hellotracks is perfect for managing field teams with territory assignments. It updates every 20 seconds and even helps employees optimize routes, saving time and fuel. Number 13, Connecteam. Connecteam pings employees every few minutes when they move. It's great for accountability, but it doesn't have an offline mode. You can track where employees have been, but again, straight line routes instead of turn by turn. There you have it, the top 13 employee GPS tracking apps to help you track your team's location. If you're looking for something easy to use with powerful features like real-time tracking, route replay, geofencing, and even offline capabilities, Timeero is a solid choice. It's perfect for teams that want seamless tracking without the hassle. To get started with Timeero, check out the link in the description and take advantage of our free trial to see if it's the right fit for your business. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future content.